Alright, so as a follow-up to my last video on YouTube Vanced, putting on YouTube Vanced is now easier than ever, and in this video I'm going to show you how. The first thing you need to do is go to vancedapp.com. Alright, and then you're going to want to go to download this Vanced Manager right here. Now, I've already downloaded the APK, so after you run it, after you download it, the first thing you're going to do is go to the Vanced Manager, and if you are rooted, well, I don't think that really matters at this point in time because it is unrooted with full features, and there's really absolutely no reason to not root your device, to root your device at this point in time for YouTube Vanced. And then very simply, you're just going to install Micro G, YouTube Music, and YouTube Vanced. Easy, short video, and that's it. You get a couple of widgets. One will say Vanced, one will say YouTube Music. You can disable your YouTube app at this point and enjoy commercial-free YouTube forever. All right, enjoy everybody.